Becoming a millionaire with IRAs is a great way to plan for retirement. Do it right, and this can set you up for success. Do it wrong, and you may never be able to retire. My name is Brad Lineberger, founder of Seaside Wealth Management. I help people transition into retirement and stay comfortably retired. I'm passionate about teaching and coaching on financial matters, and that's why I create videos like this. So if you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel below, and we'll send you more. Many people have been able to save up millions of dollars inside of an IRA so they can retire and not ever have to worry about running out of money again. There's several important factors that you must understand in order to become a millionaire using IRAs. Stay tuned to the end and I'll give you a tip on how to reduce your tax bill on the IRA distributions. The first thing to know is that you need time on your side to let the magic of compound interest work for you. If you've got 30 years ahead of you and you max out an IRA at $6,500 per year for the next 30 years and grow it at 10%, you'll have almost $1.1 million in the account in 30 years. But what if you don't have 30 years ahead of you? Let's say you've got 10 years until you want to retire and have a balance in your IRA, say, of $300,000 today. You're going to need to save $1,000 per month and grow it at 10% per year in order to save up $1 million in the next 10 years. And let's say that you can't get 10% on your money over the next decade. Let's say you can grow your capital at 7% per year. This is going to require you to save more money to hit that $1 million mark in a decade. You're going to need to save $2,500 per month in order to be a millionaire inside of your IRA in 10 years. What's nice about the IRA is it grows tax deferred. All the dividends and capital gains are not taxed as they accumulate inside of the IRA. This speeds up the compound wealth effect. Whether you have 10 years or 30 years, you can do this. Be intentional about what you want to accomplish and build your wealth. I hope you found this helpful. Now get out there and start saving to that IRA so you too can become a millionaire. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to download our guide on how to save money on taxes in retirement, as well as how to maximize your Social Security benefit. I've put these together after working in the retirement income space for nearly 20 years. Now for the tip I promised. The way to lower your tax bill on IRA distributions is to do strategic Roth conversions during your gap years. These are the years between retirement and your required minimum distribution age, which is 73 or 75, depending on your birthday. Make sure to stockpile plenty of cash in a bank account prior to retirement to live on so you can convert your Roth IRA in the lower tax bracket years. The sweet spot, in my opinion, is the 12% bracket. And part two of the tip, the best way to grow your capital is by creating a globally diversified mix of asset classes inside of your IRA. You want to have big US companies, small US companies, big international companies, small international companies, emerging markets, and REITs. And these can all be purchased using ETFs, which stands for Exchange Traded Funds. ETFs are lower in cost. They're really tax efficient if you're using these vehicles outside of IRAs, and you can get very precise with exactly how you want to build a portfolio. That's the way to do it in the future. Hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you soon. And part two of the tip, the best way to grow your capital is by creating a globally diversified mix of asset classes in your IRA. You want to have big US companies, small US companies, big international companies, small international companies, emerging markets, and REITs. And the way that you want to get access to these asset classes is through ETFs, Exchange Traded Funds. They're really low cost. They're really tax efficient, and they allow you to be precise with the way that you build out your investment portfolio. I hope you found this helpful. We'll see you next time.